Hanoi City, rainy day. We're getting to the hotel now, and Richard next to me. Hey! Wow, look at that. Right, babes, hotel room. This is the church hotel here in Hanoi. Pretty cool. So if you stay here, it's a nice hotel, clean. They just remade the room for me, so clean and neat. Here we go. Got a nice little bathroom here with a shower. This is the main bit with the bed, so it's a king size bed actually. It's huge. You've got a wardrobe here with a safe as well for your valuables. And a tiny little yard. I don't know how to call this. Time to cycle again. So get in the bus now, get a bikes, ride somewhere. Is it countryside or city, do you know?
I think we start off in the city and then we're
go
somewhere
out.
else.
Cool. We're in this factory of plywood to make furniture and stuff. That's pretty cool. It's in the middle of the countryside again. Vietnamese countryside. Wandering in the night. Wow, we're all gonna die here, guys. Check this out.
Jeff! Oh my god, are you serious? Come on. Oh shit.
So this is the river that goes to Halong Bay, will be tomorrow. Here's the boys coming. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Woo. Guys, we made it. Here we are. Headquarters. Man. Oh, today I'm dying. So we survived. Now we go back to the hotel, have a shower, go to a street food market, and I'm gonna eat the whole thing, man. I'll catch you in a bit. Here we are. Hi. Perfumed and shiny, ready for the street food market. How many courses we have? She said 7 courses.
I think so.
Oh, we got 7 courses. 7. All good.
8 stops, I heard. Oh, 8 stops maybe.
Tell me about it.
I hope 8 stops with super delicious, tasty street food.
and egg coffee.
And I'm starving.
And egg coffee.
And we are all starving. So guys, we're finally showing you some Vietnamese food properly. We didn't have time in these days, but tonight we're in a street food tour, so here we go. We're gonna show you some of the traditional dishes, and this is the first one. It's very good, by the way.
If you love spicy, you can put some chili. Yeah, if you love vinegar, if you love sour, you can put some vinegar, rice vinegar. And I recommend for you put some black pepper on dipping sauce. That's so hot. Okay. And will make you very hot too. For me, I think I'm sexy enough. I'm have black mushroom, we have pork, and on top we have a fried onion, and the little one is a fried shrimp.
It's really nice. It's got like a really soft texture, but it's also got like a bit of a kick to it as well. So it's surprising because I thought the spice would have been just in the sauce, but it's actually got a bit of a kick, so you don't have to dip it. But it's nice to try it both.
Nice.
If you taste the sauce, it probably is good to like it counteracts the spice because the spice is in there.
Right, first stop done.
We're gonna try bún chả. Okay. One of the very traditional dish of Hanoi.
Bún is mean noodle, rice noodle, and chả is mean barbecue pork. It's made from lean pork, mixed with lemongrass, honey, fish sauce. Like the second one, we have a pork belly. So in Hanoi, we don't want to eat the just lean pork because it's too dry. So we mix with pork belly to make it softer. This is papaya.
Second place was noodles with a broth and beef and pork belly. The Barack Obama noodle. I thought it was a very presidential meal. It was very diplomatic.
Yeah, I'd also give it an 8.5. It was good. Nice sweet soup from the honey. That was really nice. And probably added a bit too much chili in.
Nice, we like. Ready for the third. So here we are between the French Quarter and the old quarter as well, right? She said, yeah, I think. So we're going to the third place right now.
Because in Vietnam, in the past, we eat Chinese like everything. Because Chinese has invented here for 1,000 years. So some cultures, some letters is the same. So here they have a 3 generation that shop. They hand down generation to generation. So nowadays they want to keep the old name and new name coming together. So you can see it's my experience. Whenever you want to find a old restaurant, you will find like on the poster they have a Chinese name and Vietnamese name.
Give me a score from 1 to 10.
8. Yeah. 7.
Place number 4.
Okay, so in Vietnam, because we often cook at home, we're cooking in the dinner with some kind of salty meat like that. And we eat with rice. So normally it's a little bit salty. Okay? And you know, there is in Vietnam we eat rice at home, the steamed rice at home, and we go out to have a noodle. Yeah, because to take a perfect soup, it wastes about 1 to 2 hours. Okay, of the pork. Okay, it's made from pork sour. Okay, okay, let's try some.
So what is it?
Fish cake. This with the dill. With dill and some fish sauce.
Just like fish, and then with am I getting a mix?
Fish sauce.
Picture of each one.
I took a whole like.
Oh, you just take
What is it, Chris? It's coconut. It doesn't really taste of anything.
That's a good review.
So, we're reviewing the coconut. That's it. So spot 4 done. Number 5 coming. And here we are. Number 5, my friend, is coming to an end.
It is. We got pudding and a coffee, yeah? And a beer.
And a beer. Right, we see down here then. Right, sticky rice. Dude.
The restaurant is too busy. So please, if you saw the police come in, please have the owner take and run.
Oh my.
Okay?
Rice, tapioca, fried onions, fried garlic,
And chicken. What do you think about this dish? Top number 5.
I would give it a 7 out of 10 as well. I liked it as soon as she added some more soy sauce and chili sauce.
What did you didn't like in the first place? Or
It's quite sticky. The sticky rice.
Sticky rice.
It's sticky rice, guys.
Yeah.
Right, so we give it a 7.
And it was only like little tiny piece of chicken on top.
Yeah, not much chicken.
More meat.
Cool. All right.
More meat makes better.
Stop number 5, done. We go for number 6. Place number 6, sold out. And back to number 6 actually. Number 6 was closed before, which was supposed to be a donut, so they sold out. And we came to this place to eat some fruit instead. So we step back and we're gonna have our dessert right now.
Thank you.
Isn't that lovely?
Tang, do you know the name of this thing?
It's called custard apple.
That's the app.
Yes.
Just beating on people, guys.
Not people. Me.
Oh, this fruit is good though. Okay, review of this fruit. I give it a 9. Sweet, quite soft. Very well. You definitely need to speed the seeds at the same time with someone else. It makes it more fun. It's nice. It's a good one. Place number 7. Beer time.
Bar 29.
It looks very fancy. Cheers, bro.
Cheers, dude.
So here we are in Old Town with Kirk.
Hi, how are you?
Cheers, guys. We're enjoying Vietnam. We're in the Old Town right now. Pretty lively all year long. That's what Tang was saying. So they have these every night, dude. Like every night of the year. That's what you get in Hanoi town. So actually, we're gonna close here the tour because I think that's all. We're gonna have this is the last part of the food tour. So we're just gonna enjoy the night and I'll keep you posted later on.